Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican stew peas in my kitchen. So if you want to learn this delicious detailed recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get this process started. I've got all my ingredients here, guys. First, let me show you my pig's tail that I'll be using. As you can see, the pig's tail is very salty. Look at it, guys. Let me show you. Look at it. Now I'm gonna remove some of the excess fat from my pig's tail. This is basically how it looks. All full of salt. I haven't cleaned my pig's tail yet. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. I've got my salted beef right here. It's also salty. I've got my red kidney beans right here. There you go, our red kidney beans. And I'm using 1 1/3 cup. Cannot make your stew peas without some scotch bonnet pepper. I've got my flour right here to make my spinners, dumpling. Got the seasoning to give it flavor and spice. I've got my all-purpose seasoning, my black pepper to get a little taste, my coconut milk. You cannot go wrong with your coconut milk, my pimento seed, my scallion. I've got me 5 cloves of garlic right here, and I've got my thyme. So guys, let's get this process started. So at this point, guys, we're gonna wash our peas. Okay guys, so this is what your pig's tail should look like, all clean, and your salted beef. Now we're going to add some water, some cold water to this pot, and we're going to scald our pig's tail and our salted beef for 5 minutes. So the excess fat off of it and the excess salt. Let's go. So we're gonna cover this up and we're gonna see you guys back in 5 minutes time. Now we're gonna check on our peas. It needs more water. The 1 hour is not up as yet. Let me show you guys that the peas is not cooked as yet. Still hard. It's not done as yet. So I'm going to add me 2 more cups of water. I'm going to cover this. And when the hour is up, we're going to come back and we're going to check on our peas. Run this under some cold water. So you can see that the water is more clearer than before. So let's go. Okay, so we're gonna add this back to the stove here. And now let's look over here on our peas. Let's check the peas to see if it's cooked. It's halfway done, guys. Halfway done. The hour is still going and it's not cooked as yet. So see you guys back in the next half an hour minute. So guys, over here I've got my scallion, garlic, thyme, and scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm gonna prepare my seasoning for my stew peas. And this is what your season should look like. My chopped garlic, my scallion, my fresh thyme, and I've washed it already, and my scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, I'm gonna put this aside and then we're gonna move on to making our spinners. So let's go, guys. All right, so the bad boy, I'm ready. You know, stew peas and salted beef tends to take a while to get tenderized. So I'm gonna put this in my pressure cooker pot with some pimento seed. I'm gonna leave this to get tenderized for 40 minutes time. So guys, see you back in the 40 minutes time. Now guys, we're gonna make our spinners with our flour, salt, and our water. So now I'm going to add me some salt. We don't want to add a lot of salt, just using that. I'm just gonna make my dough. I'm using cold water. There you have it, guys. My dough to make my spinners is all done. And I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna move on to the other process. Now we're gonna check on our peas to see if it's cooked. Let's take a look. And it's done, guys. We're going in our pig's tail and our sauteed beef to the pot. As you can see, it needs more water to level my meat. So I'm going to go in with half to 1 more cups of water. We want everything to come to a boil, so I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes time. So see you guys back in 10 minutes time. Look at all this niceness right here, guys. My texture of my stew peas is looking really nice. So I'm gonna check on my pig's tail and my salted beef, and everything is tenderized and ready for my coconut milk. Please remember to give it that shake so you get everything in this bad boy right here. Look at that, guys. I cannot wait to dig in. After which I'm going to add some of my scallion. Then I'm going to add a little of my garlic and my scotch bonnet pepper. Now this I'm going to leave back so I could use it when everything is cooking down. And I'm going to cover this and leave it for 5 minutes time. So see you guys back in 5 minutes time. And we are back, guys. OMG. Look how my stew peas are bubbling up on this Saturday, guys. Looking at my pot. OMG. Now it's time to add our spinners. Just gonna use a little piece like this. In the palm of our hand, we're gonna go like this. Like this. Just drop it in the pot like that. And this is the last one, guys. So now we're gonna give this a stir. Look at that already. So guys, we're just gonna cover this for like 15 minutes time. So when the 15 minutes time, when the dumpling cook and the coconut milk cook, we're gonna come back and we're gonna adjust the taste. We're gonna add all the spices, our black pepper, our all-purpose seasoning, and if it needs salt, we're gonna adjust where necessary. So guys, see you back in 15 minutes time. And we are back, guys. Take a look at my stew peas in the making. Look at it. Now I'm gonna add the remaining seasoning. Going in with half cups of water. Stew peas tend to absorb the water easily, so I have to go in back with half cups of water so that everything is cooked properly. Please make sure to turn your stove down on medium low. Now I'm going with half tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning to give it that little extra taste. Going with some black pepper. Going with some ginger, garlic, and pimento. This season helped to smooth your stomach. We added coconut milk, so this also helped to smooth your stomach. The ginger helped to smooth your stomach. All right, give this a stir. Look at that, guys. Look at all that niceness. Now let's give this a taste test. And I'm going to add a little salt to give it some extra taste and flavor, because you know we scalded it 2 times, over 2 times. So yes, guys, give it a taste test again. Perfect, guys. It's perfect. Now guys, I'm gonna cover this and leave it for an additional 10 minutes time, and then it's gonna be all ready. So guys, see you back in 10 minutes time. A moment of silence. Take a look at my stew peas, guys. Look how everything combined together. Look at my peas, my spinners, my pig stain, and my salted beef. I cannot wait to dig in this bad boy right here, guys. So guys, we're gonna put this on a plate and then it's time for us to dig in. Look at all this niceness just drizzling down on my plate. This is a must-try recipe, guys. So if you never have stew peas before, you need to give it a try. You need to, guys. It's a must-try recipe. Everything just combined together. This is how we kick it off in Jamaica. Kick it off with some white rice. Cannot go wrong without some white rice. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And please, guys, please make sure you turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. And also, guys, don't forget to comment and tell me what you love about this delicious, mouth-watering, detailed recipe. Also, guys, comment and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you try it at home. Bye, guys.